learners, welcome back once again. This video is specifically for the Hindi learners, that is spoken Hindi beginners who are unable to frame the sentence. So from the scratch we will be going with the same. So basic sentences are here with, just your work is to rearrange the same. So you can see here, you just need to drag and drop the words to rearrange it in a meaningful sentence. So we will start with the same. For you I have prepared this activity. So just see. So we'll just go with the first one. See. Khana Papa diya ne mujhe. You can see here. See, the K is not visible over here. So please note here K is there. So khana. Okay. Khana Papa diya ne mujhe. Which means first will be see. If you are unable to get how will it be framed, see the words khana. Khana is food, papa father, stating to the father, diya given or gave, you can say diya. So that's a past tense, we'll take that in the last. So diya will take over here, diya. And mujhe is the first one. Mujhe, about whom are we trying to say? Mujhe, we are trying to say about us. Like, see, always remember, mujhe we say only when, mujhe will apply only when we are saying about myself, or I am saying about myself to any one person, any other person. Like, I want, I need, I like, I dislike. These are for mujhe. So, mujhe, I am stating about myself, let's say. So, mujhe पापा ने खाना दिया. Okay, see, मुझे पापा ने खाना दिया, which means father gave me food. So linking with मुझे and papa. मुझे ने not needed because मुझे itself having the hey, मुझे. Specifically I am stating about myself. What I am stating? That father gave me food. Father is the papa, ne is the joining one, connecting one. What the father gave, khana. So hence the joining word you can say over here, ne, for papa and khana. And what the father, like father and food, link is ne. And father food what? Diya, gave. Father gave the food to me. So this is the one. So we'll just complete this one. We'll go for the next one. See. Ke gaadi thi paas Neha. So first is, what is the subject? Subject is about whom are we saying? Are we saying about K, ka, ki, ke, all this, tha, thi, ka, ki, ke, all this won't be coming in the first. So what will come in the first? Neha, because Neha is the subject here. So you can say Neha is the subject. Neha, then K, and Neha, K, then what will come? Neha, K, paas. Neha ke paas gaadi thi, which means Neha was having a car. So Neha ke paas gaadi thi. Again we'll go with the same. See, Neha ke paas gaadi thi. Neha means stating about the girl whose name is Neha. Ke paas, which means with her, like she was having. Ke paas, this paas is for mere paas, I have. Neha ke paas, she has. This one. Gaadi, car. Thi means it was there. Now it's not there. Now it's there or no, that is not the answer over here. It was there, that is stated over here. Then next one, सामने के घर थैला है एक मेरे. See again, first है is sentence completion, so we'll just insert this है over here. Sorry, over here. Now है, then सामने के घर थैला एक मेरे. So you can say मेरे, मेरा, मेरी, मेरे will come first. So मेरे घर के सामने थैला एक है, we won't say, instead we say एक थैला है. थैला means a cart, food cart you can say. Then थी मैं गई is again sentence completion. So we'll just keep it over here, sentence completion, गई. Okay, then मैं over here will write मैं आज, so we will take this over here. मैं आज, stating about today, आज विद्यालय, which is about school, विद्यालय about school, and then गई थी, मैं आज विद्यालय गई थी, which means today I went to school. Then आया घर था के राम कल श्याम, which means you can say first आया था, so you can just add here आया over here, आया, and then completion will be tha here, आया था, completion that we know. Now we need to see only this part. See, घर के राम श्याम कल, so you can say कल because Ram and Shyam, this one Ram and Shyam names, then kal you can take here, or you can say, see आया था it's correct, कल घर के राम श्याम, so राम कल श्याम के घर, Ram you can say anyone's name, you can take Ram कल श्याम के घर, श्याम के घर आया था you can say, और राम के घर कल आया था, both ways we can say the answer, राम के घर कल आया था, which means stating about Shyam. What the Shyam did? Shyam कल राम के घर आया था, which means Shyam came to Ram's place yesterday, which means था. Now the first one, see मुझे पापा ने खाना दिया, or you can say पापा ने, पापा will come first, if पापा is there means ने also will come, पापा ने मुझे खाना दिया. So let's just complete the same and we'll see our answers once again. See, नेहा के पास गाड़ी थी, कि नेहा के पास गाड़ी थी, which means stating about नेहा, and it is past tense because thi is there, stating about Neha what she is having. Neha has a car or Neha had a car here. Then मेरे घर के सामने एक ठेला है, like मेरे means my, so stating about some person, the person is trying to say is घर के सामने, near to the house, just in front of the house, in के सामने, in front of the house there is a cart or there is a cart, cart means थैला. मैं आज विद्यालय गई थी, which means today, मैं, today is आज, मैं stating about myself like आज मैं विद्यालय गई थी means गई means went, थी means that's what past tense, sentence completion. श्याम राम के घर कल आया था, श्याम and Ram, there are two persons, stating about Shyam is the person who came to or who visited Ram's place, Ram's home yesterday. Yesterday means kal. Even in Hindi we say kal for yesterday as well as for today, so yesterday as well as for tomorrow, depending on the sentence we can say which one is it. Like over this sentence kal tha will come because tha is a past tense, kal tha. So yesterday Shyam came to Ram's place or Ram's home. Then पापा ने मुझे खाना दिया, पापा ने मुझे खाना दिया, here we are linking पापा with ne, like papa with ne means papa ne, what the father did, father gave me food, मुझे खाना दिया, we can say मुझे खाना दिया, पापा ने मुझे खाना दिया. The same sentence can be stated as मुझे पापा ने खाना दिया, to link papa and खाना together, the word ne, we can say in this way. Or if we want to exclude the ne also, we can say in this way, मुझे खाना दिया. So it will be question, मुझे खाना किसने दिया, मुझे खाना पापा ने दिया. So in this way also we can say, or in this way. There are two ways to say the same, both are correct. So it's one. So thank you learners for watching the same. I hope the video is useful for you and you are able to learn maximum new vocabulary words. So keep up the same and try by yourself to learn few words and utilize the maximum by yourself.